We are from Basavaraddi English Medium School, Southport. Myself, Madhumati. Today we are going to discuss about SST subject, latitudes and longitudes. We have already learned about the latitudes and the important parallels of latitude. Today we are going to discuss about features of longitudes. Okay children, first we will discuss North Pole and South Pole. Afterwards we will move on longitude. The parallels to the picture ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, the parallels to the north of the equator. North of the equator means equator in the ಮೇಲಿನ ಭಾಗ. The parallels to the north of the equator means in northern hemisphere. North of the equator are indicated as N or North Pole. N means that is nothing but the North Pole. And those to the south of the equator are indicated as S or South Pole. The North Pole is indicated as 90° N. The North Pole is indicated as 90° N. The North Pole is indicated as 90° N, while the South Pole is also indicated as 90° S. S means South Pole, N means North Pole. Now we will move on longitudes. The longitudes are imaginary vertical lines. The longitudes are imaginary vertical lines running from North Pole to South Pole. They are also called the Meridians of Longitude. There is a village in London known as Greenwich, through which runs a specific meridian of longitude known as the Greenwich Meridian or the prime meridian. This one, I repeat it once. There is a village in London known as Greenwich, through which runs a specific meridian of longitude known as the Greenwich Meridian or the prime meridian. It is considered as the 0° longitude. The prime meridian divides the earth into two hemispheres. One is eastern hemisphere, another one is western hemispheres. The meridians located to the east of the prime meridian are indicated with E. The meridians located to the east of the prime meridian are indicated with the E, and those located on the west side, on the west of the prime meridian, are indicated W. Here E means eastern hemisphere, here W means western hemisphere. Okay, there are 360 meridians In the eastern hemisphere, there are 180 degree. Western hemisphere, 180 degree. Total 360 meridians. The meridians are numbered up to 180 degree each to the east and west of the prime meridian. As latitudes and longitudes run from east to west. Longitudes run from north to south. As latitudes and longitudes runs from east to west and north to south respectively, they form a network called grid. This is called grid. A grid helps us to locate places on maps and globes accurately. Now we will move on meridians of longitude. See here, just observe this picture. Meridians of longitude are equal in length. Next one, the distance between. There are so many lines, imaginary lines are there, or there are so many longitudes are there. Is it not? The distance here between one longitude and another longitude, between the distance between two meridians is the maximum at the equator. The distance between two meridians decreases towards the poles. Last point, the meridians also helps us to know the time of a place. If we know the latitudes and longitudes of a place, we can find out its exact position on a map or globe. For example, see here, for example, Delhi is located on a map where 28.38 degree north latitude and 77.12 degree east longitude cross each other. So the location of Delhi is 28.38 degree north, 77.12 degree east. Next, let's have a quick recap of latitudes and longitudes as well as globe and map. Okay children, just one sorry. ಈಗ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್, ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್, ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಂಗಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್ and how to locate the places on a map or globe, and what is grid or what do you mean by grid, important parallels of latitude and longitudes. Is it not? Just have a quick recap. A globe is a miniature model of the earth. A globe is a miniature model of the earth. A map is a drawing a part or the whole of the earth on a flat surface. Next, longitudes. Longitudes are the north-south running lines. The 0 degree longitude is known as the prime meridian. Latitudes, east to west running lines. Equator, here that dark color circle is there. The equator divides the earth into two hemispheres. One is northern hemisphere, another one is southern hemisphere. It is the longest circle and is located at 0 degree. The network of longitudes and latitudes form a